Today I'll be showing you how to buy and send crypto on Coinbase, how to swap, send, and receive crypto on Phantom Wallet, as well as how to use Raydium to buy those lesser known meme coins before everybody else. So last week I ran a Crypto 101 Solana Edition live class. We went over how to set up a Phantom Wallet and Coinbase. I'll leave links in the description of this video to a handout that goes over all of that for those of you who don't have a Phantom Wallet or Coinbase, as we will be using those in this video. During that live class, I also gave away $20 in crypto to live listeners. We had 4 winners who won $5 in crypto each, and those 4 crypto are 4 different coins. So today I'm going to be sending that crypto out to the winners so that you can watch how it's all done. So if I was to be receiving this crypto, I would go to receive and then copy my Solana address. Remember, this is a public address. Anyone can have it. It's not a big deal. It's not your seed phrase. Never give out your seed phrase. So first I'm going to go to Coinbase so that I can buy some Solana, and then I'm going to transfer that to my Phantom Wallet and then disperse that to the winners. So I'm buying $25 of Solana. We had $20 worth of winners, but I am going to be getting an extra $5 so that I have extra money for the Solana gas fees. That does cost gas fees in order to transfer your money. So I'm buying $25 of Solana from my bank account. It's easy to connect your bank account just like with connecting a PayPal account to your bank account. So I'm going to click review order and buy now, and then I'm going to be buying the $25 of Solana. As you can see, the order is being submitted. And under transactions, there it is, bought Solana, $25. It's pending, so I'm going to go ahead and check my account. I'm going to go ahead and refresh it. There's the email confirming the order, and there is the Solana. So I'm going to click Solana, and then I am going to go to transfer because I'm transferring the Solana into my Phantom wallet from my Coinbase wallet because I need to swap it for some of these meme coins that I'm sending to the winners of our crypto giveaway. So I need my Phantom wallet's public address in order to send the crypto from my Coinbase into my Phantom. So I go to receive and I just click that copy button right there, and I'm copying my address and then pasting it into Coinbase. I just want to make sure that's the right address, so I'm always going to be double checking that. And then once I am ready, I'm going to go ahead and send it. So the next step is selecting how much money to send. I'm going to be sending the full amount of Solana. So I'm just going to click max, and there it is. And I'm going to press send now, and now it is sending. It's just going to sometimes have you verify with your phone number just to make sure that it's you. Remember, these exchanges like Coinbase have all your information, whereas the wallets like Phantom do not. So as you can see, the transaction went through. It said sent Solana for $23.36. There it is. Remember, there are some fees associated with the Coinbase transaction. So I just refreshed my Phantom wallet, and there it is, the Solana. So now it's time to send it to the winners. So first I'm going to click Solana, and then I'm going to click swap, and the Phantom swap page will come up. I want to swap my Solana for Withcoin, because I need to swap my Solana to the meme coin that I'm sending to the winner of the crypto giveaway. This is Farouk, who won dogwifhat coin. That is WIF. This is one of the more popular Solana meme coins, especially as far as market cap goes. So I'm going to select WIF, that's dogwifhat. And remember, I'm going to be sending $5 of dogwifhat to Farouk. So I need to transfer my Solana, $5 of it, to dogwifhat. So I want to make sure Solana is on the top, dogwifhat is on the bottom, and I'm sending $5 as 0.0379, I think, yeah, $5 of dogwifhat. That equals 2.74 dogwifhat. Phantom transfers can experience slippage, a gap between the expected crypto received and the actual amount. High slippage allows trades to go through in volatile markets, but might mean you get less crypto than anticipated. Low slippage ensures a good exchange rate, but could fail if prices change quickly. If a Phantom transfer fails due to slippage, the transaction simply won't go through. Your crypto and any fees you paid will be returned to your wallet. So we're going to do 0.3% for this one, and you can see there it is. We're going to review the order and then swap. So you click the swap button right there on the bottom. And now the tokens are swapping. It shouldn't take too long, especially on Solana. Solana is known for having faster transactions and lower fees than Ethereum. All right, so as we can see, the transaction is complete. It's right there in the activity. I'm going to go ahead and refresh, and there is the $5 dogwifhat. I'm going to select that token and then go to send. All right, so now I need to get the public address of Farouk, who won the $5 of dogwifhat. So I'm just going to get that out of my DMs from him, and I'm going to go ahead and paste it under send where it says to, and there's his address. I want to double check to make sure that is his address and I'm not sending it to somebody else, just like with Zelle, where you don't want to send it to the wrong email address or phone number. All right, so I'm going to do the whole $5.02 of dogwifhat. to Farouk. It looks like the dogwifhat appreciated 2 cents since we bought it. And now it is officially in Farouk's wallet. Congratulations once again for winning that dogwifhat, Farouk. And next up, we're going to be sending $5 to Chag. Remember, we have 3 more winners to send these crypto to. And Chag actually won Solana. So I'm going to go right to Solana, right to send. And now I need Chag's Solana address. So I'm going to go to Discord, where he sent me in DMs his public address. I'm going to go ahead and paste that just like you would with a PayPal or Zelle. Just paste it right under to, because we're sending the money to Chag. Make sure it's his address, and then go ahead and press next. Now, I'm not going to press max here because I have more than $5 of Solana in the wallet, so I'm just going to go ahead and just do $5. And there it is, $5 sending right to Chag, and boom, there it is, and it is in Chag's wallet. Congratulations, Chag. And there it is in the recent activity. All right, let's get out of there. Now we're going to be sending $5 more to another winner of our giveaway last week. This one is Mother Token. This is the Iggy Azalea meme coin. We're sending this one to Yodabomb from the Discord. Yodabomb won $5 of Mother, but we're going to be using Raydium. Raydium acts like a middleman for your crypto swaps. Instead of matching buyers and sellers directly, it uses liquidity pools where users deposit their tokens. When you swap a token, Raydium uses an algorithm to automatically take from one pool and give you another token based on the current supply and demand. Other examples of this is Uniswap on Ethereum and PancakeSwap on Binance. So in the Phantom browser, I'm going to go to coinmarketcap.com. I need to get the contract address of Mother so that I can put it into Raydium. If you don't have the contract address, there's also a search button in Raydium, but the contract address is the safest way because there are a lot of fakes out there when it comes to different coins, especially the popular meme coins out there. So I'm going to search Mother Token. This is once again Iggy Azalea's meme coin, and there it is. And there's the data. We actually got into this one pretty early in our $50 crypto challenge. That's a channel that we have in the Discord. We got made like, I think it was like a 10x on this one. Since then, it's gone down a little bit, but people are still definitely talking about it. So I'm going to scroll down, go to contracts, and then just simply copy the contract address. So now I have to go to Raydium. Once again, that can also be in the Phantom browser, and it's right there. Raydium, the 3rd most popular site on Phantom, it looks like, or as far as trending goes. So I'm just going to click Raydium. I like to do it in the Phantom browser. It's just easier to connect to your wallet that way. And there's the G-Unit coin that I was looking at earlier that ended up being a rug pull from 50 Cent. Apparently, his account got hacked. Who knows? So I'm pasting the contract address, but I want to make sure that I'm going to be transferring to Mother. And then I just connect my wallet. There it is, connect. And now my Phantom wallet is connected, so I can go ahead and transfer that Solana, $5 worth, to Mother. So I'm going to go to Solana, and once again, it's $5, so 0.037, I believe, or 0.379. That's around $5 worth of Mother coin. That's 83 Mother tokens that we're sending over to Yodabomb, who was our winner. Going to confirm that. Transaction is going through, it looks like. There's a swap, and swap confirmed. So now we have the $5 of Mother that we swapped from our Solana. So now I'm going to go back to my Phantom wallet and just refresh it to make sure that there it is, the Mother token. It's like $5.03. So once again, I need to copy Yodabomb's Phantom address, go to Mother token, and go to send. And then from there, all I got to do is just paste Yodabomb's address into the send where it says to. Just make sure it's the right address, and then press next. And then I want to make sure I'm sending all of it, the whole $5 of Mother, and there we go. It is sending, and it is sent, and then boom, there it is in Yodabomb's wallet. They now have $5 of Mother token. Congratulations once again to Yodabomb. So next up is White Goodman's winnings, the $5 in Zach token. So I'm just going to go to the Phantom swap area, the transfer area, and so we can either look for Zach token. There's a whole bunch of different meme coins there in the Solana ecosystem, but I'm just going to type in ZACK. Much easier. There's a Zach Morris coin, and I'm going to be doing once again $5. That's 0.374 of Solana. Well, actually a little bit more, and we're going to get that to $5 of Zach Morris, or a little bit more, at least $5. We want to make sure that we at least get $5 to our winner, and there's $5.03. So that $5 equates to 137 Zach tokens. So hey, if Zach tokens goes to $1, that's, you're going to have $137 right there. All right, so the Solana is now turned into or transferred into Zach token. There's my $5 of Zach token, or White Goodman's $5 of Zach token. So I got to go ahead and go to my DMs, get the public address from White Goodman for his Solana address, paste it under 2 because I'm sending it to White Goodman. Oh, it looks like there was an emoji in the message and some writing in there, the message that I copied over. So just gonna go ahead and get rid of that. Make sure it's the full address, the right address before sending it. Click next. Gonna go ahead and do the whole ZAC token. That's 137 of ZAC token. And we're gonna go ahead and send that over to White Goodman. Congratulations on winning the $5 during our crypto giveaway. I hope that helped clarify just sending crypto when it comes to Phantom Coinbase. If you have any questions at all, feel free to head to the Discord, head to the $50 crypto follow along channel, and you can ask them there. I hope to see you next time, but until then, I hope that you all make some bread.